In this lesson, you'll learn how to make an appointment for a new customer. From the Operations menu, select Appointments. Then go to the desired day on the appointment book. You can select a date using the Calendar option or the quick navigation buttons at the bottom of the appointment book. Select an appointment time within the relevant employees column. Then press the New button. Enter the customer's details, ensuring that you fill in all of the mandatory fields, which are marked in red. Press Done to continue. You'll then see an overview of the customer's details and have the chance to enter any relevant appointment notes or alert messages. Press the Next button to move on to service selection. To add a service, click on the relevant service category and select a service. If the client has requested this employee, tick the Request box. Once you've finished adding services, press Next. You can also select an appointment tag from the tags list. Press Done to finish creating the appointment. Now that you know how to make an appointment for a new customer, you can add customer details and book an appointment in one seamless process.